And my last rant for the day is about the Motorola foldable and the Edge X30 Pro. There was a rumor that Motorola has postponed the Razr to maybe to September, October, waiting for the launch of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but it has been now officially confirmed by the company. They'll be launching the Razr foldable on August 2nd. On that day, they will be launching the Edge X30 Pro. It's only going to be launched in China, while when they launch it outside, it will be known as the Edge 30 Ultra. And like I said, the Razr is going to be a very big departure from the predecessors. Instead of getting the 7 series Qualcomm processor, they will get the latest 8 Gen Plus processor. They'll have a bigger screen on the inside, 6.7 inch, 120Hz refresh rate screen, and a bigger screen outside, which is 3 inches. You're going to get dual camera, 50 megapixel and 13 megapixel, and the selfie camera is going to be 32 megapixel. And about the Edge 30 Plus, it's going to have the same Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. It's going to have a 200 megapixel HP1 Samsung ISOCELL 200 megapixel camera sensor. It has a 50 megapixel ultra wide and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, which will come with a 6.7 inch 144Hz OLED screen, 8GB 12GB RAM, 128GB 256GB storage, a 60 megapixel camera, and a 4000 mAh battery. Also coming this time for the first time from Motorola will be a 125 watt charging and a 50 watts wireless charging. If they can price it right and also promise at least 3 Android updates, I think this will be a very killer phone. And it's anyway, that's for that much for today. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.